Things are cooking up for Kim Kardashian and Pete Davidson. After some recent events, the couple have sparked wedding rumors online. On Tuesday, Pete was spotted driving Kim Kardashian's car and doing some jewelry shopping while he was out. Paparazzi caught him making a quick stop at a place in Beverly Hills that sells fine jewelry. However, despite not going inside, it looks like a staff member actually from the store delivered it to him outside. And first of all, Kim lending Pete her car is a big deal. This isn't just any car, this is her signature Rolls Royce. These cars are at a minimum around $500,000. And earlier that day, the pair were also spotted out getting breakfast with each other at the Beverly Hills hotel, and from the looks of it, they stayed in the area for the rest of the afternoon. On top of that, Pete was also spotted smiling from ear to ear as he left Kim Kardashian's hotel in New York City just a few days prior to that. The new celebrity couple were in New York City for Pete to tape SNL and to catch a movie at a theater in Staten Island. A source close to the couple also revealed they're clearly not hiding their romance. It seems like they want to just be able to do things any normal couple would do and have fun together, which is also why Kim is preferring her time visiting Pete's hometown. The insider added that she appreciates the more low-key vibe of the NYC borough. At the start of December during Paris Hilton's wedding, Nikki Hilton also revealed that Kim was joking about looking to catch the bouquet at her sister's wedding. The joke, however, came soon after she had gone public with her new romance. Another insider added, Kim lights up when she's around Pete. Their chemistry is off the charts and getting stronger each passing day. No one can remember seeing her smile and laugh so much around a guy. He just has this ability to hold Kim's total attention and have her in stitches with his hilariously dry sense of humor. He's so down to earth and humble, which she really digs. Not to mention, the rest of Kim's family has also taken a liking to Pete. A lot of the Kardashians have already either met him before in the past or hung out with him, so it's not even like he's really a stranger to them. They think that he's funny and fun to be around, and apparently Kim feels the exact same way. Despite Kim Kardashian filing for divorce from Kanye West earlier this year, and there have been clear breakdown signs in the relationship prior to that, Kanye was still out here though saying that he was married to Kim. The divorce was believed to have been motivated by a difference in each other's politics and lifestyles, and during an appearance on Revolt TV's Drink Champs, Kanye spoke about his relationship with Kim. More specifically though, he touched on all of the controversies surrounding her Saturday Night Live debut. You know, the one where she kissed Pete Davidson. Kanye goes on to say, SNL making my wife say I divorced him on TV because they just wanted to get that bar off, and I ain't never seen the papers. We're not even divorced. Kanye also went on to accuse the media of trying to split the two of them up and said that the divorce was no joke to him, adding that it was causing their kids some distress even. He goes on to say, my kids want their parents to stay together. I want us to be together. Also, according to a recent report from Page 6, Kanye called it quits with the 22-year-old model that he had been dating for the last few months. The pair were linked together in November of 2021 and even debuted their brief romance at a basketball game when they were photographed sitting courtside. Apparently, their split is a result of Kanye being invited to celebrate the holidays with Kim Kardashian. However, according to Kim, the invite has nothing to do with them getting back together. It's simply to make things as normal as possible for their 4 kids. But things might get interesting because Pete has also received an invite to Kris Jenner's annual Christmas party. So right when their show comes to an end, all of a sudden, the best possible timelines for drama arise. Who would have thought? But I want to hear your thoughts on all this though, because that's all the time that we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one.